Mastering Greenspan floor time is a journey, not a destination. We created Dr. Greenspan's All-Access Pass to give you everything you need in one place for one price. Developing knowledge is just the beginning. Effectively applying it takes practice and guidance. Designed to be flexible for different types of learners, whether you're a parent or a professional, determine your own personalized path to mastering Dr. Greenspan's framework. All of Dr. Greenspan's key concepts, principles, and techniques are covered in his courses, lectures, articles, and materials. Begin your learning with our training articles or the course that speaks to you. Read, watch, and discuss with your colleagues at your office or in our free office hours discussion groups. Each course will deepen your understanding of his work and improve your application. Explore all of our comprehensive lectures, like Helping the Whole Child for Picky and Rigid Feeding Challenges and one for Behavioral Difficulties. Watch additional workshops from Dr. Greenspan on topics like meltdowns and learning disabilities. We focus on your successful application of Greenspan floor time, not how many classes or how much supervision you've paid for. If your goal is to earn a Greenspan certificate, take our free knowledge-based assessment. If you're ready, you can also take our experience merit-based assessments, but additional fees do apply. True mastery requires more than just one look. You'll have time to revisit the concepts, rewatch videos, and discuss how they apply to different children you care for. Even after you earn a certificate, participate in as many office hours discussion groups as you'd like. Keep your access to all of the courses, lectures, articles, forums, and regularly added additional resources. Start your journey today and get access to all of Dr. Greenspan's courses, lectures, articles, forums, and regularly updated additional resources. Register for Dr. Greenspan's All Access Pass for 6 months for one low price.